Tell me, DDS, proud ba kayo na DDS kayo? Is it something ba na ikaka-proud?
Yes, we are proud, particularly me. I cannot speak for everyone else, but we are particular. I am proud to be a Duterte supporter because we know the truth. We have seen what happened to our country. And I am already 38 years old. And I've been to the other side as well. And I have seen everything there is to see. And that's why we chose to support the Duterte brand because, in my personal opinion, they are the only reliable national politicians. Well, of course, there is someone like Vico Soto who I admire, but for genuine change and improvement, for the safety of the nation, for the safety of the citizens, I am really supporting Duterte's. Many people are paid to spread lies because we are now at the generation we're in. Lies, when spoken too many times, becomes truth. In court, in court, you prove what is called the judicial truth based on evidence, based on law. What are you going to do with that evidence, and how are you going to apply the law? That is the judicial truth. But there is also one truth that we humans who will die very soon also we fail to see what is the truth in the eyes of God. You may or may not believe in God, but there is truth. But in politics, when people speak about the truth, they speak about the numbers. They base the truth on who speaks louder, who is supported by America or whatsoever. And in politics and in other fields of life, we often based our truth on what the so-called intellectuals, who are usually tied with the wealthy, with the oligarchs, we based that on what they say. In order to become one with them and to benefit from them, we try to fraternize with them. I have no connections with the Dutertes or any Duterte supporter. I am not close with anyone, but I support him and I choose to support him and his family for what they did for the country and for what they represent. They gave the Filipinos dignity, dignity over Filipino oppressors, and dignity as a human being in the global scheme of things. That is why I will continue to support the Duterte brand.